What's up YouTube? The Bill Paying Hobbyists here and another quick tip Thursday. This week's Google search, what do I do if I don't have a level? Well, there's a couple things you can do, and today I'm going to show you two. One is you can take a piece of clear tubing and you can make a water level. I don't have any clear tubing here, but I do have this piece of paracord that I'm going to demonstrate with. Basically, you take the two ends, put them together, and then take yourself a marker. Draw a line across both pieces of the tube. That's going to be your level line. Take a water bottle, fill it up until you have water with both lines. Then you can take one line, hold it fixed on the wall, take the other end and move them up and down. When the water reaches both lines, you're level. Due to gravity, there's no other way it can be. It's gonna be level. Now, if you don't have any clear tubing lying around, you can just use a water bottle. The lines on your water bottle, if it has lines, are pretty much parallel to the bottom of your bottle. Fill it up till you get to a line, put it on your surface, and you can move it however you need to make that surface level. When the water matches up, you're good to go. If you don't trust those lines on the water bottle, take a piece of paper, wrap it around the bottle, and make sure the ends line up. Where those two ends line up, you're gonna have a straight line. Draw you a line around it, fill it up to the line, set it on your surface. When the water matches the line, it's level. You're good to go. We hope you learned something new and are enjoying our channel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Click the bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a new video. Leave a comment, say hello to Ellie and the Shop Dogs. Please go do something nice for a veteran today, and we'll see you on the next one. We love you.